Okay guys, this is Danny. I'm gonna show you this small video. It's a small comparison between my two little boys. I have the LG xboom Bounce and, as you know, the Bose soundlink Max. Two drivers, one tweeter, two passive radios. Comparison with this one woofer, two tweeters, and the passive radius located this on the top. Let's start this small comparison with the Bounce. Now Bose 50%. Next song. $75%. Now the Bounce. That song. 100%. Bounce, 100%. Bose. Okay guys, I have here this small video, and let me know what do you think about my two little boys, the LG xboom Bounce. I know that it's not similar, it's medium side versus I think this small medium side as well, but I like both. Very nice option if you are like in the budget for about 200 bucks, 180, the xboom. This I can't pay more than 300 bucks, so that's why I got it on sale. So let me know what do you think, and see you in the next video.